Most people still get confused between Apple gift cards and iTunes gift cards, and that confusion can lead to wrong purchases or unused balances. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, these two cards are much more similar than people think. But there are still key differences you need to understand. In this video, you will learn the real difference between Apple gift cards and iTunes gift cards, what each one can be used for, and which one is better depending on your situation. Let's start with the simple version. Apple gift cards are the newer, all-in-one version. iTunes gift cards are older and were mainly used for digital content like music, movies, and apps. Apple slowly merged these systems, so now Apple gift cards do almost everything iTunes cards used to do. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you buy an Apple gift card today, you can use it for apps, games, subscriptions like Apple Music, iCloud storage, and even Apple Store purchases in some regions. It basically works across the entire Apple ecosystem. But here's the problem many users don't realize. iTunes gift cards are still floating around in older stock or resold cards, and people assume they work differently. In reality, most iTunes gift cards still convert into Apple account balance when redeemed. So the system behind them is almost the same now. Let's break it down with a real example. If Jake from Mumbai buys an Apple gift card, he can use it for anything from downloading paid apps to paying for iCloud. But if he somehow gets an old iTunes gift card, he can still redeem it, and the balance usually works in the same Apple account system. Now let's talk about the real difference. Apple gift cards can also be used for physical Apple products in some countries. That means you can buy AirPods, iPhones, or accessories directly from Apple stores. iTunes gift cards never had that ability. Another important point. Apple gift cards are more flexible and future-proof. iTunes branding is being phased out, so Apple gift cards are the standard going forward. Now here's a common mistake. People think they need both cards for different things. That is outdated. In 2026, one Apple gift card is usually enough for almost everything. So let's quickly summarize. iTunes gift cards are older and mainly digital-focused. Apple gift cards are newer, more flexible, and work across apps, subscriptions, and sometimes physical products. Both mostly end up as Apple account balance, but Apple gift cards are the modern version. If this helped clear your confusion, like the video, comment your question, and subscribe for more simple Apple explanations that actually make things easy to understand.